Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Shaem Tech BD. In this video, Windows Repair tutorial, you will learn how to use the powerful command to scan, detect and fix hard disk error along with bad sectors using command prompt. This built-in Windows Disk Repair tool works deeply to restore disk health and improve overall system stability. First, click Start button, then type cmd. Open cmd Run as administrator. Then type this command and hit enter. Then type Y and hit enter. After all process complete, then restart your computer. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.